Hey guys, Bart Simpson 67543 here, and today I'm going to do a boot up video of my new computer. It is HP Pavilion a1210n with an AMD 64 Athlon 3500 a 3500 AMD Athlon 64 processor, running Windows XP Service Pack 2. Before I do the boot up video, I'm going to go over the specs of this machine. First of all, it has 512 megabytes of memory, which really is not a lot. I do want to upgrade it to a gig or a gig and a half. It has a 200 gigabyte SATA hard drive, that was kind of new for 2005. Integrated ATI Radeon Express 200 graphics. This part folds open, and in here we have different multimedia ports, 1394 FireWire port and 2 USB ports. And there's another USB port here, plus a card bay. Yeah, it's got a Smart Media, MMC, Compact Flash, Memory Stick Pro. It's got a LightScribe DVD writer, CD writer, and expansion bay, I guess. I won't flip it around, but on the back it's got your average 56K dial-up modem. This antenna you see here sticking out of the back of this thing. I'm sorry, this tripod really sucks. But the antenna you see sticking back out there is my wireless card. It's got VGA, PS2 keyboard, mouse, and monitor. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Well, first I should plug in the monitor probably. It's quite slow. It's not fast in anybody's imagination. So, here, we'll start this up. This tripod's really shitty. I mean, it's horrible. So I'll start that up. I'm just using the tripod right now so that the camera doesn't wiggle a whole lot. So this is the fourth desktop computer I've had. As you may remember from my older videos, my first computer was a Compact Desk Pro from 1998, running Windows 2000 with Intel Pentium 2 350 MHz processor. My second computer was a Dell Dimension 2350 running Windows XP with Intel Pentium 4 processor. My third desktop computer was a Sony Vaio with a Pentium 2 processor, which originally ran Windows 95 but was upgraded to Windows 98. And now I have this machine. This is the newest machine I've owned, and it's a pretty nice machine. I just need to upgrade the RAM because it's horribly freaking slow. Bless me. Anyway, so we're just going to watch the boot up process. It is quite slow. I do have it fully working on the internet. As you can tell by the wireless card, it does have an internal, it does have an Ethernet card, it does have a 56K modem, parallel printer port, some more multimedia ports, 4 more USB ports. This whole thing has 7 USB 2.0 ports. But yeah, it's a pretty nice machine overall, except the biggest letdown is the RAM. Hard drive is pretty good for 2005, a 200 gigabyte SATA hard drive. I would actually like to own one nowadays, because I bought this computer from a friend of mine, but I have to give back the hard drive to him because it's got, I guess it's got some family stuff on there that he wants, I guess. So I gotta put my own hard drive in. So I'm probably gonna put my hard drive in, but what's kind of funny is there were 2 hard drives in this machine when I got it. One was the 200 gigabyte SATA hard drive, which is in here now. The other was a regular, or it was the older IDE cable 160 gigabyte hard drive that he didn't even know was in there, but he took that one too. So since I know that it can use IDE cable hard drive, I'm going to put this bad boy in. This has Windows XP on it. It's a 30 gigabyte Western Digital Protege WD300. It's only 30 gigabytes. It's from 2003. It's got a manufacturer's date of May. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of in the middle of the screen. May 5th, 2003. So as you can see, it's just a regular IDE cable hard drive. So yeah, that's the basic layout. I haven't used this computer for much because obviously it is really slow. So until I upgrade the RAM, I'm really not going to use it for much. But I will make a video when I do upgrade the RAM. So keep watching and please subscribe.